Hey guys, welcome back to Analytics with Mahendra. Today, this is part 9 of our Excel Analytics series. Today, we are going to discuss something very important and very practical aging and bucket analysis. Many people talk about formulas, but very few explain why businesses actually use aging, where it is applied, and how it helps in real world decision making. So, in this video, I'll explain what aging is, why it is important, real business use cases, and how we will implement practically in Excel. What is aging? Aging is the number of days an interim of days an item remains open since a reference date. In simple words, how long something has been pending. Formula Formula would be aging equal to today minus reference date. The reference date can change based on the business scenarios. It could be invoice date, deal created date, ticket, open date, etc. etc. Why aging is important? Aging helps businesses to identify delays and bottlenecks, prioritize actions, reduce revenue leakage, improve cash flows and forecasting, monitor SLA compliance and risk. If money is stuck, deals are stuck, or tickets are pending, aging tells you where the problem is. Some key business areas where aging is used. Aging is widely used across industries: finance, sales, operations, supply chain. First use case is invoice aging, which is in finance. It is used to track how long invoices are unpaid. As days passes, aging increases and risk increases. Formula would be same: aging equal to today minus whatever date. Invoice aging buckets could be these: 0 to 30, 30 to 31 to 60, 60 to 90, 90 plus days. Critical buckets can vary by organization. This is just a standard example. Some business decisions from invoice aging, collection prioritization, cash flow planning, credit control actions, customer risk classification. Second use case is deal opportunity aging, sales. It is in sales. Deal aging tracks how long a deal stays in the sales pipeline. Aging equal to today minus deal created date. It helps identify stuck or slow moving deals. So aging could be 0 to 30 days fresh deal, 31 to 60 days needs momentum, 60 to 90 days at risk, 90 plus days steal or likely loss. So business decisions from deal aging, sales follow up priority, forecast accuracy, sales manager intervention, pipeline health monitoring. Third use case is deal size bucketization. Uh, Here we group deals based on deal value. Purpose is focus on high value deals, better resource allocation. Example of the deal size buckets are 0 to 5 million, 5 to 10 million, 10 to 25 million, 25 plus million. Right? Why deal size buckets matter: senior management focus, strategic decision making, revenue concentration analysis. Fourth use case is ticket or SLA aging operations. It comes into ticket aging tracks how long service requests or issues remain open. Formula would be same. So the bucketization could be in this type: 0 to 1 is on track, 2 to 3 days is warning, 4 to 7 days SLA breach, 7 plus days is escalation. Fifth use case is inventory aging. It comes in supply chain. Inventory aging measures how long inventory remains unsold. Benefits: identify slow moving or obsolete stock, improve working capital, reduce storage and wastage cost. Aging buckets could be 0 to 30 days fast moving, 31 to 90 days normal, 91 to 180 days slow moving, 180 plus days obsolete. So the functions used here it is. In practical Excel implementation, we will mainly use today ifs, XLOOKUP, VLOOKUP, conditional formatting for visualization if required. Most of the logic is driven by today plus ifs. So aging and bucket analysis is help organization to improve efficiency, reduce operational and financial risk, increase revenue predictability, make faster data-driven decisions. That's all for this video. In the next part, we'll do hands-on Excel implementation using real sample data and formulas. If you found this useful, like, share, and subscribe.